This video is on hypergeometric distribution. In today's video, suppose the shipment of 100 DVD players is known to have 10 defective players. An inspector randomly chooses 12 for inspection. The probability that among the 12 players, at most 2 are defective. See here, suppose a shipment of 100 DVD players is known to have 10 defective players. So among 100, 10 are defective. An inspector randomly chooses 12 for inspection. See here, small n is equal to 10, 12 and capital N is equal to 100. The probability that among the 12 players, at most 2 are defective. At most 2. Maximum 2 means probability of x less than or equal to 2. See here, we have to use hypergeometric distribution. So first of all, what is this hypergeometric distribution? So if n is the total population, see here, if n is the total population, if k is the total number of success, see here, n minus k. So this is nothing but n minus k. So this side. So if small n is the sample size, and see here, if x is the probability to be chosen. So this is n minus x. So n minus x. Now the probability mass function can be written as probability of x is equal to k can be written as, see, this is kcx, and this value is n minus k. This is n minus x by this is ncn. So this is how we have to use this one, or else this can be written as kcx dot, this is n minus kc n minus x divided by, so this is ncn. So this is the formula for the probability mass function of hypergeometric distribution. So here, coming to the question here, suppose we have the shipment of 100 DVD players. See here, capital N is equal to 100. So we have capital N as 100. DVD players is known to have 10 defective. So here the defective items are 10. So the defective items of DVD players are 10. So non-defective. So this is non-defective items are n minus k. So n minus k. So the value here is 90. An inspector randomly chooses 12 for inspection. See here, the small n value is equal to 12. So this is the small n. If 12 items are inspected, the probability among the 12 players, at most 2 are defective. At most 2. So the most important thing here is maximum 2. The probability of x less than or equal to 2 can be written as probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2 here. 2 here. So if there are 3 cases here. See the defective items, if they are 0, see here, if they are 0 defective items here, then this will be, see here, this will be 12 minus 0 is 1. Sorry, 12 minus 0 is again 12. So if they are 1 defective item, 12 minus 1 is 11. So the defective items here are, if they are 2, if they are 2 defective items, this is 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10. So which is equal to 10. Now we have to use the same formula here. So while using the formula, so we have to be very careful here. The probability mass function can be written as, this is 10c0. See here, this is 10c0 into 90c. This is 90c12 by 100c12 plus, see here, for probability of x is equal to 0, for probability of x is equal to 0, this is done. For probability of x is equal to 1, so we have to select this one. So this one, that is 10c1. So this is 10c1 into 90c11. That is 90c11 by 100c12. 100c12. And the next one, for defective items 2. So we have to take 10 as non-defective. That is 10c2. That is 10c2 into 90c10. 90c10 by again 100c12. Again total 100c12. So this is the probability of x less than or equal to, that is the probability of at most two defective items. If we need probability of at most two items, so we have to add probability of x is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2. So if we have 0 defective items, so non-defective is, so here this is non-defective items are 12, that is 12 minus 0 12, 12 minus 1 11, 12 minus 2 is 10. So if you calculate, you will be getting the answer. So this is also so simple to calculate. And thank you so much. NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, and using that formula, so you can use your calci and calculate. And this is how we have to frame the capital N. So this is defective items, this is non-defective items, so this is the small n sample size, and here we have to get the value of probability of at most means most less than or equal to 2, that is probability of x is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2. So for 0 this is 12, and for 1 this is 11, and 2 this is 10. So we have to go with 10 c naught into 12 c 90 c 12 by 100 c 12 plus 10 c 1 into 90 c 11 by 100 c 12 plus 10 c2 into 90 c10 by 100 c12. So that will be the answer. Thank you so much for watching.